Hi everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to tame your Budgie if you just got a Budgie and he's scared of you. He doesn't want to step up on your finger, he doesn't want to take food from you. Nice, no distractions. So let's just pretend that Sunny was a scared Budgie. He's never seen a person before, never seen a hand. He just got him from the pet store, didn't know what to do. Ice, you're not in this video for today, okay? Sorry about that. You stay there, Boo. She's flying back to her cage. Okay, anyways, so if you need a little bit of help taming your Budgie, well, here's one way to do it. Oh, I need to get one thing. Actually, it's in my other cage. Millet. Okay, here we go. So if you can get this from pet stores, spray millet. Budgies absolutely love spray millet. They'll take it from your hand when they're ready. So if you hold it out like this, they'll get some millet, just like this. If he's all scared, hold it up, and he or her will take some. It's quite easy after a while. So, yeah, that's one example. And after a while you do that, the Budgie will get used to your hand inside the cage and start to bond with you. Here's some other ways to get your Budgie to rub your hand against the cage. And it's soothing noise to their ears. It'll make them nice and comfy with your hand around them. And then after a while, put your hand in, let's just say 2 weeks. After doing that millet feeding, put your hand in slowly. And your Budgie will step up on your finger. You might not cooperate, just like that right there. But anyways, I can get Sunny out of here. He's just not very cooperative at times. And then you can clip your bird's wings so they can't fly. You can bond with them every day and have a great time with them. You can see we have Sunny tamed already. He's so awesome. So, yeah, that's my video on how to tame and bond with your Budgie. Oh, there goes Sunny. Anyways, so that's my video on how to tame and bond with your Budgie. If you have any more questions, link it in the description below. And yeah, have a great day, and we'll see you next time. Bye.